Product of the Month Spotlight this month is one of my absolute favorites, and I'm so excited to share it with you. Beauty Society has a Product of the Month every single month where it is highlighted and on special the whole entire month. So it's 20% off this month. Anyone, everyone can get it 20% off. But here is the kicker. If you put something on subscription, like for example, our next beauty box that's going to be generated in June, don't miss out on that. Put that on subscription. Boom, you are a Society Plus member. Society Plus members, as well as advisors, always get the product of the month at half price. So if you're interested in any of that and have questions, please reach out to me. I can help you get that deal, okay? So don't miss out on the deal. It's a great deal. And I'm so excited because clearly you can see I need a refill. So a retinol blend. It has got retinol. It's got another ingredient called Matrixyl 3000. And then just one other ingredient that I'm going to highlight, EX, Advanced BTX. And we are like the only company in the United States that uses that ingredient. And so I'm just going to highlight a few things on what those different ingredients do so you can understand why this is such a star product. So first of all, a retinol, many of you have probably, heard of retinols or whatnot. Some of them can be very, very harsh on the skin. This one I'm finding is very, very gentle. This actually has 1% retinol in it, which is the highest amount of that ingredient that you can get without a prescription. So that's incredible. What does a retinol do? It's actually a vitamin A. This is a bioactive vitamin A. Your body's able to absorb it and use it, but a retinol is going to help exfoliate the skin, revealing, sloughing off the dead skin cells on the surface, revealing more youthful looking skin. So this is something that everybody really needs to have in their routine. It's also going to help fade dark spots on the skin, surface spots. It's going to help with all that. It's going to help with fine lines. It's going to help with wrinkles. Let's see what else. Stimulates collagen. That's what a retinol does. That's going to help firm the skin. It's an antioxidant. The other ingredient that I mentioned, the Matrixyl 3000, stimulates collagen, helps with wrinkles, helps with fine lines, helps with elasticity, and helps protect the skin. And then there's other ingredients too. There's another peptide in here. There's other antioxidants, vitamins. But the other thing that I wanted to really talk about was the Advanced BTX. That one actually helps with sagging skin. So it's going to help firm your skin, helps with wrinkles, and it helps with the sagging jawline. And now that I know that, I need to be making sure I'm putting this on my jawline. So I'm taking advantage of all that. So sagging skin, firming skin, if those are any of the issues that you want to try and tackle, you might want to try this. So it's very important. A couple things to note when you start to use this. You don't want to use it with a glycolic acid because it'll just be too irritating and too strong on the skin. So any AHA or BHA products or ingredients, you want to skip that. You have to use a sunscreen when you're using this. This is a nighttime only product, easy to remember because it's called All Nighter, so you won't forget. It can be used around the eye area. It's gentle enough. It is also great for acne, and the reason for that is because it's a gentle exfoliator, so it's not going to be abrasive and smear bacteria all over the skin, but it's actually just going to kind of gently dissolve some of the dead skin cells, keeping pores clear, which is what you want when you have acne-prone skin. It also helps control production of the oil, good for sensitive skin. I've had some sensitive skin girls that have been able to use this without a problem. In a nutshell, it's good to just help the skin look refreshed, revived, helps with sunspots, aging, discoloration. This is the all-nighter product of the month, 20% off for everyone, or you can get it at half price if you're a subscriber or an advisor. So I love this product. I saw results right away. Also, I'll mention you might notice a little peeling when you wake up in the morning. That's just telling you that it did its job overnight. I absolutely love that. I know that it's working. So that's it. Okay. So reach out to me. I'll put my link below. And there's more information online. And I'm happy to share this with you this month. So go get you some all-nighter retinol. You're going to love it.